What's up, guys? What's up, guys? I had to get in. I saw this setup. I could not miss it. I'm up $1 on 50 shares. On Nero. I could not miss this, so I kind of took the trade. I think it's all caught on camera, but yeah, I had to get into this, guys. I'm about to go live as well. Let me get everything on, set up. Great entry position, up $1.04 on this position. We'll be taking profit once I get live. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll skip the intro for today since we're already trading. And let me turn on my camera. Cam on. You should be able to see me now. Yes. All right. So I'm in here, $1.17. I'm gonna start may start stripping off profit, but I don't know. It looks like it wants to go to 15. I'm up almost $2. Balances today. It hasn't even started calculating. It says I'm down 169, but I'm actually not. I'm up quite a bit. Quite a bit. And I'm just gonna hold it here since I'm in such a good position. Just gonna hold it. We got almost 30 minutes. 30 minutes to the open. This is $100 trade almost if it goes up to $2. We will see. And here's my, ooh, look at that bounce. Here's my entry position right here. I'll just be waiting and watching. If we hit $2, I will start to take off profit. It may give a little bit of a decline, but I'm in such a good position right now. I don't really even care. Even if it comes back into this 1343, which I doubt it's going to, I'm still in a really, really good position. Entered at the 1342 here. See if any more FOMO buyers will take me up a little bit more. So I can drop my shares on somebody. But Nero was my watch from yesterday because Nero was absolutely insane going up. Has great news on it, and I just could not miss this move today. I missed a lot of profit yesterday, and I cannot leave it on the table today. So if it breaks, I guess I'll take off if it breaks this 1370, but if it doesn't break that, I'm okay. I'll just sell out. That'll be a 42. That's a 30-cent run on 50 cents right there. But I'm going to let it play up here. I want to take as much profit as I can off of this thing. See if it can start to hold at 15. Ooh, look at that pump up there. Oh, wow. All right, I like the FOMO buying here. I'm in a great position. I have no fears. I am fearless right now. See if we, ooh, look at that, boys. Look at that. Nero going up, getting me up to almost $2. That'll be $100 on this trade. Waiting and watching. I don't even know if I want to take profit right here. Just being honest. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Monster moves. 15s. Can it push up even higher? Come on, FOMOs. Come on. Push that thing on up to the 1550s. Let me make sure my mic is on so you guys can hear me. Yes, you can hear me. All right, well, this is a pre-market trade. I usually don't trade in pre-market, but this setup and in this stock, I woke up early to watch this stock. I was not missing any breakouts on this one. None. Come on, FOMO. Pull shit over that 30. See if we can get those 20s back up there. 18s, 20s right there. Crazy thing is, I was going to take 100 shares of this, which would have made this a even bigger win for me. But it's all good. I ain't going to be greedy. I took the position size that I trusted because I wanted a little bit more money to buy more dips today. Look at that. Almost $2 in profit there. $2 up. And it still hasn't updated yet. It's saying I'm down whatever, but that's not true. Gonna let it form a new bottom because it's so far off of my entry position. I'm good. Good to go right here. But I will be selling before the open since it's making these big moves up before the open. There's no way I'm holding this into the open with this much profit. Or you know what? Maybe I will for that pump up. If it gets off of me like a couple of dollars, maybe like $2 or $3 before the not $2 or $3, but if it continues up, then I'll definitely be looking for that pop on the open. But right now I am sitting pretty. I'm sitting really, really pretty up here. See if it can consolidate and continue to get FOMO bought up. Right now, I'm just gonna use VWAP as my out. VWAP is even above my it's above my entry. So either way it goes, if it breaks these, then I'll just be out. But there's no way it's gonna break all the way back through the 14. Not with this FOMO. Yes, sir. Winning trades. Let's go. Start off with a good cushion. Up $1.15 on this trade, man. I knew I wasn't gonna scalp this one. Was no way. This one might go to 20 today, so I may actually end up just holding it. I'm in a great position. Let me I need to contact my folks. Or no, I just talk to him later. I will talk to him after the stream. Beautiful, beautiful play here. Grinding up on FOMO. I love these plays. Hopefully everybody that comes in late isn't like, oh, well, you were trading pre-market. You didn't tell us you're going to trade pre-market. Well, I always do if there's opportunity. And if there's a stock that's willing to run like this one, why not? I'm in 50 shares just riding it out. Let's see if we can touch those 40s. Oh, I'm almost at $2. This is a $100 trade on 50 shares. I'm gonna see if I see weakness. Nope, no weakness. Let's go on to the 1550s. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Getting on up there to the $20 level. Up $2 on these 50 shares. Let's go. You still want to run, baby. Let's go. Hit them up. Touch the 50, the 1550. Way off of me right now. I'm so safe, it's not even funny. Love these types of trades. Hopefully it continues going parabolic. So if I were to take any shares up here, there'll be almost $2 in the profit. And the FOMO continues, baby. If it breaks the 50, boy, that's going to be a FOMO rush right there. If it breaks that 50. Ooh, hey, let's go. $2.10 up. Nice, nice. I saw somebody tune in. All right, guys. So whoever's tuning in, I did trade Neuro, entered here at the 1343, riding it up. Riding it up, baby. $2.50. I can't wait till this thing updates. I think I'm up 100 and something. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go touch that 16. Yes, sir. Mac Frank. Yes, sir. Good, good vibes. I'm in a very safe trade. This trade is $2 away from my entry. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see if we can breach that 16. We can breach the 16. I'll take a little bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, One Life. Bro, this is a perfect play. $2.40 up. If it could breach the 16, I'll take just a little bit. Not much, because with 50 shares, we'll see what the action is here. Can it breach that 16? Can we get that 16? Get into the 90s here. Yes, sir. Man, even if it breaches the 16, I might not take the way it's looking. Yeah, I'm going to take a little bit at the 16 if it can blow through it. Come on. Blow through that 16. Get that nudge up there. Come on, baby. You got this. FOMO buyers, where you at? Gratatata. 90s just got hit. Want to see the 91s, 92s? Hey, come on, break that 16. Don't reverse. Let's go. Y'all know y'all want it. I'm gonna talk y'all through this trade. Let's go. Come on, break that 16. 95s. Okay, getting a little rejection up there at the 16. I'm okay with that. Even if it pulls back, I'm still pretty good. I got in at the 1343. So I'm still pretty safe. I'm gonna let it consolidate and see if it can make one more move higher. But I am I thought I was gonna need breakfast today, but I'm eating. Bro, I would have been so mad if I missed this trade, bro. I promise. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I got up early this morning. I was staring at my computer like I know Nero's gonna break. I know it's gonna break. And with the move yesterday, how it went parabolic, it can, man, this thing can go. Let's see if it can get into that six. Okay, moving up. Getting ready to take at the 16 a little bit. Not much. Can we get those 90s there? Come on, FOMOs. Push that thing into the 90s. All right, well, it wants to pull back. It can do what it does. Oh, yes. Getting up there to that 16, tapping it again. Let's go. A little bit of rejection off that 16. Little bit of rejection. Maybe it'll get some consolidation up here. If it looks too weak, I'll go ahead and take. I'm up 50 shares. $2 will be $100, and then whatever the rest of it is. So very good positioning this morning. And the thing is, I use a little bit of money. I was gonna get in 100 shares, but I was like, I want to still have something to trade during the day. But hey, this looks like it's working out. See if we can start to hold those 15s and get going again. Let the sellers get out. Let the new FOMO buyers get in. Let's go. But yeah, this was my main focus from yesterday. I couldn't let this one go. And I'm definitely not adding to this position. We have a couple other stocks up here, but they were nothing compared to Nero. All right, let's just sit back, get my prayer hands ready. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for blessing me with this gracious move today. Oh yes, crank up, baby. Let's go. 3-bar play, baby. Let's go. Break that 16. Yeah. Why you get me excited like this? Break that 16. Break that 16. Up $2.70, almost 70 cents. Can we push into the 16.25s? Almost up $3. That'll be 150 bucks. What? Huh. Up 640. What? Oh yeah. This is fun. This is a nice trade. Let's see. There's the 307s, up $3 on this stock. 16 up 3, what is that? 321, 325, so that's 150 bucks. Okay. Can we hit that $20 level today? $20 level, baby. All right. So now we'll just be waiting and watching. I don't know if it wants to go to 17 bucks, but maybe it does. I don't really care now. Look where I'm at. I mean, lordy. This is a major move. I missed all of Nero yesterday. All of Nero. And then Nero came back today and said, you know what, Hal? I'm going to bless you. I'm going to bless you today. 1680s. Up almost 350 on this one. 16s. 1689. I wasn't expecting to trade pre-market today, but this setup came and I could not. It was, man, my fingers were so hot for it. Getting up to the $17. Let's see, what is $4 on 50 cents? I mean 50 shares. 50 shares times 4. This is $200. $200 if it goes up to the 17. Can we get some more FOMO buying? Will we get another point of kind of consolidation? It's a lot of FOMO buying here. $90s. Can we get that 17 up there for a nice $200 trade today? Start off the day. I don't even know how much money I used for this position. I used Nero I use about 600 bucks for this position. Okay, up 365, just letting it ride out up to the 17s. Up almost 400 or almost $4 here. Nice little ride up. So glad I didn't take profit where I was going to take profit like an idiot. $4 on the $4 per share here. And now it needs to find a resting place. Let's see it. Where are you gonna rest at? Can we get to the $20 level? This is one of the first ones that I got in pretty good around that. I was looking around the $10 level, but it never got back down to the $10 level. So it's gonna give a little rest down here. People gonna take a little profit. I'm not selling. Settling around that 17 there. Up 70% here. Amazing movement. Opening a new candle up here. Amazing high open. We will see what kind of action it wants to give around this 17. $17.20s. Can we get those 25s to hold? Oh yeah, man. It looks a long way away. My first entry on this one was 460. And I sold early and it ran, but now in pre-market, I entered right here at the 13s. We're $4 away from my entry. But yes, that $5, man. I should have held that $5. That 100 shares would have made me more money than this trade yesterday, but it's all good. That's hindsight trading. Let's see if we can break the 1750s on FOMO. 1751 cracked. Can we get the 52s, 53s? There's the 60s up $4, and can it break out? Needs to break. What's the high here? The high is looking like the 1770s. Can we get the break of the 1770s here? Get a little boost up. 50s, 61. There's a 64s, 70s. Can we get the 71, or is this going to be a double top? And 69, 70, 74. Oh boy, going on a little rip right there, huh? All right. Nice extension here. All right. So we're up 150 bucks. So nice, nice. We have a guaranteed 150 bucks. I'm not letting it go under $3. I'll sell everything before that happens. Let this thing pull back a little bit, because I believe there's still some FOMO buyers out here that want to knock me up a little bit more. No homo. All right. Let's see. Let's see. $17.30s. Okay, short's trying to get a little strong here. We have about 10 minutes to the bell coming up. Not sure if I want to take profit now or what. Could take a little bit up here. But right now, it looks like it's just going to consolidate out. See if we can start to hold that 25 and maybe give us another run up. Okay, 17s. Well, I talked so much smack to Ben yesterday, man. He was holding 20 shares of this into the afternoon, and man, he bought it a great position. I was like, bro, I'm gonna get some money tomorrow morning in pre-market. Bet that up. Bet that up. I hope it pulls back a little bit. That way, if it explodes up out of the open, I just dump all my shares. There it goes. We got 10 minutes to the bell. It's getting a little pump action back up. Can we break over this 24-25 level? Is the level we need to break here. Not seeing it. Needs to break over that 24-25 quickly if it's going to do it. There it goes. Okay, like it. $4.23 in the profit. Oh yeah. Ben is still holding that little 20 shares he had from yesterday, man. He bought this at the beginning here at 355. He's up like 400 bucks. 1750s. Can we get that crack, that breach? What was the high of this one? The high of this one was the 1770s. That's what I'm looking for. 1770s. Not giving it to us. Let's get back up to those 50s. Where those buyers at? All right. I don't know if I want to dump my shares before the open because 5 minutes till the open, I'm pretty much powerless. It's pretty much doing what it wants to do. If it breaks that 1770, I'm going to feel a lot better though. Needs to break the 50s here. Get over those 50s and start to hold. There we go, 57s. Come on. 41s. There we go. Push it on up. Y'all know what y'all need to do. $4. Reverse, reverse. Can we get over the 40s? It's like it's sinking down a little bit. Okay. Looking for it to get over those 50s. What's up, Daniel B? You see my position? I'm 50 shares in, up almost $4. Shorts trying to pump this one down. I'm waiting. I may go ahead and hold this one to the open because I'm $4 off of my entry for that explosion up and take profit on the explosion. But I don't know if that explosion is gonna happen. That's the only thing because it's very extended now. See if we can get back over the 25s. That would be a good sign. Good morning, Jay Kratz. We're trading today. We're up $4 on Neuro. I'm in 50 shares. I took kind of small positioning because I didn't really know if it was going to do the move, but caught it. Is it going to break down that 1710 here? Needs to push up back over the 15s. There it is. There's a little buying pressure. Holding those 25s. I think we can get going again now. Oh, yes. Now I can't take any trades. So whatever happens, happens. I'm okay. I'm up 200 bucks right now. So, hey, I can't take any trades now. So it's just prayers, hopes and prayers right now. I wonder, can we touch the 20 on this one? Oh. You sold your 100 shares with $5 profit. Oh yeah, man, this thing was running yesterday, bro. Amazing mover on Neuro. I just needed to blast up out of here on the open. It's a little move down. Not too worried about that. The top side of this was the 1761, so I'll go ahead and get my limit orders ready to go. Limit order, I'll sell, let's say with 15 at the 1791. Nah, you know what? I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till open. See how this thing opens. Yeah, it could drop to 10. It could drop to 10 very well, but I don't think it's going to. It's so far away from this point. I'm not even scared anymore. I got the juice. Hopefully. It's getting bought up there into the open. We have 3 minutes left. Ooh, if this thing goes green, that would be perfect. Not really. It needs to stay red right here, so then it can get that explosion out of there. But I will be looking to take profit on the open. Dropping my shares on some heads. Daniel B, why you always coming in here talking about calming down, bro? Calming down for what? We turn up over here. Just because I look emotional doesn't mean that I'm mentally emotional. You see, I can express all kinds of human emotion, but my fingers aren't on the button. You know, I'm just watching, waiting for this thing to either go to the moon or whatever. I'm already super green. All right, we got 2 minutes left, looks like. I'm gonna shave a little bit off. All right. Mm, getting bought up there a little bit again to the 25s. Can we start to hold the 25s? Opening in 30 seconds. Fifteen seconds. Little fake up there. Open. There it is, a little explosion up there. Let's see if it can hold up there. Nice little come down. So now it should be calculating me in, I think. Yeah, 150 bucks. Still holding. Nice little indecision candle there. Can we get going upward? 17s. Can we hold around the 17s? There's a little movement up. Nice. Still holding. 18s. Nice. Can we get those 18s there quickly? Okay. $5. Are we into a halt? We are into a halt. So holding those shares balance right now, sitting at $271. And we will see what comes out of this halt. Yeah. Daniel B, what in the world were you talking about? That's why I said calm down, because you are already set up for euphoria. Take your money and move on. Bro, chill. One Life said it's halted. Yes, it is halted. We'll see how it comes out. I mean, I'm up $5 per share. So, you know, I only use like $400 to make this trade. Let's see. 3 330, 390, or we'll just count that 400, 425, 465, 4 I don't know. Like 500 bucks in this one. Oh, Daniel B likes to speculate on stocks and emotion. Okay, cool. That's cool, Daniel B. I understand where you're coming from, but guess what? I'm in this thing. I didn't get afraid when it dipped here because I knew I had $4 of protection. So my goal today was to grow my account by 1%. I'm up 5%, so that's pretty nice. Pretty nice. All right, let's look at CEMI. PRFX is halted as well. NVFV, FY. So a lot of halting. Exactly, man. No reason to sell with this kind of emotion in this stock. No reason to sell. Now, what usually happens when I don't trade pre-market, then I'm trying to buy this halt here. So I try to buy this halt, but sometimes it just doesn't go as planned. All right, let me go and look at what time it's supposed to be opening. Nero is opening at the 9:31. I mean, it halted at the 9:31:45. Should be opening at the 36:45. 36:45. So in a couple of minutes. Well, I know Ben is looking pretty. I know he held those 20 shares he had. Nice growth. I might get the account to 5,000 a day. If it gaps up pretty nice. I only need what 60 more dollars for the gap up. $36 is there. 36.45 is our opening point, should be. See what it can give us on Nero. Can we breach that $20? Here we go. Coming in. Coming in hot. $36. Okay. It was supposed to open there. Did not open there on that halt, 10-minute halt. Okay. Nero has a 10-minute halt on it. We'll wait. See how high this thing pumps up. Ten-minute halt means it may actually gap up higher. Possibly. Or gap down. You never know. We will see. All right, anyway, while we're waiting on that one, let's just surf around the market. CEMI. PRFX pulling back now. Don't know if these had any kind of news on them. Doesn't look like it. MVFV. Trash. Where's the daily resistance up here? Next daily resistance on Nero. Looks like it's almost at it. 18.99 is where it halted. Okay, 21.93. And then from there, 23.82 maybe. Oops. All right. So we will be watching and waiting. Should be opening up at the 41.45. Let me go ahead and do this. I'll put a order to take at the 20. I'll take off 10 shares at the 20. And I'll hold the rest on my own. Matter of fact, no, I ain't gonna do that. I'll take everything myself. I'll hate for it to open up at the 22 and I sell at the 20. I'm like, eh. Good morning, MSEC. We are already trading. I got started early pre-market. Right now trading Neuro in 50 shares up $5.43 and a halted stock. Halted on Neuro. Entry price was $13.43, up $271. All right, 41.45 coming up here. Yeah, it is a possibility to go crazy. Here we go. Okay. What? This may be a 15-minute halt. 15-minute halt on Neuro. All right. Well then, 15-minute halt. Yeah, 40 is, 40 is a little bit of a stretch. I don't need that much money. I'm just trying to get my account to 5,000. I need 60 more bucks for that. Look, 60 more bucks. It's at 4942. I want my account to 5,000. I don't need the moon. I just want the stars. No, I'm kidding. That made no sense. Long-term investor with 5 shares. All right. So while we're taking this break, let me go and use the restroom. Let me see. It was supposed to open up at the 41. So yeah, let me go use the restroom. All right. So how high can this one open up? I got NVF pulling back. Lex is halted. All right. We will see. Nine 41, 45, 46, 45. So 46, 45. Maybe it'll open if this is a 15-minute halt. We will see. 46, 45. I wonder, can Nero go to 30, man? Because this halt is ridiculous. That means when it dips on this halt, there are going to be so many buyers, dude. They're going to buy that dip like something's wrong with them. I don't know what Nero wants to do, but I don't know if I want to sell right at the open of the halt because they'll be stupid to not know where it's going and for it to be this far off of me. That'll be stupid. Daniel, One Life says Nero to 21. Daniel B says Nero is sitting on the ask. One Life said Nero to 50, and then Daniel B said the ask is sitting at 21. We will see. Coming up on the open here, 46, 45. This is a 20-minute or 15-minute halt, something like that. 20-minute halt. Let's see what happens. Still not opening. Okay. Nero still halted. Well, ain't that something? Nero is still halted. So everybody's going to be sitting around waiting on Nero then. Meds. Let's see if I can take some other trades while we're waiting. MVFY. Meds. Not really looking all right. Let's see what the news is on meds. It's an offering coming. Did it go into a T1? Nero is a volatility halt, so and it doesn't have any shelf registrations. Oh, wait. Let me go to Nero. Nero, no shelf registration. So they can't just pop out an offering for no reason. Oh, got you. Lex came out of the halt moving very small. I'm pretty sure it's because all of the attention is on Nero. MVFY going down. I'm not interested in burning any cash on these. Getting on up there. All right, Lex, what was your news? Your news was COVID-19 Delta variant. Okay, study. That's a study. I don't know how relevant that is. It's gonna have to pull back. I don't know about Lex. So this thing is went into like a 20-minute halt or something like that. Halted at the 31 and it's the 50 now. So almost a 20 minutes. So we'll see what happens at the 51:45. Yeah, 51:45. Will it open? Very low float stock as well. I already cycled through his float. I think it was a 4 million float. So 4 times 7 is 28. All right, 51 coming up. Let's see if it can open up higher or will it gap down. 51:45 is what we're watching. It would be insane for this thing to open up above 20. Then I'm definitely not selling. All right, we're coming up into what could be the open. 51:45. Hmm. All right. Well, looks like we're going into a longer halt than I expected. So that was a 20-minute halt. Huh. That's very interesting. Okay. Well, no reason to get nervous now. Meds crashing down. Lex gave a little pullback here. Let's see. It did a, was that a double top? Hmm. I need Lex to consolidate a little bit. Can't really play ball with this one. Pre-market high was at the 12.13. Got a little bit of support down here at the 10.32s. 1032s. A little bit more support there. All right, so let's see what Lex can do. Since Nero doesn't want to open up for us, we'll be waiting on that 56.45. Maybe it'll pop open then. Lex giving its first pullbacks. The halt region was a 965. I would like to see it hold up that 965. But for right now, I may flip back over to Nero for that 56.45 open. All right, I'm flipping back over to Nero. 56.45. About to open. Possible. Well, it's like this halt's gonna go on forever. Maybe open back under 10. You never know. Back over to Lex. All right, Lex, I'll take a little bit. Let's see, 55.60s on this pullback. How many minutes does it have left? A couple of minutes. Taking a little bit there for a little small scalp rip up. What's this? 10.06 is the VWAP. I'll be out. Or actually $10. Oh my gosh, I had a limit order in there, really? Did Nero open? Oh, Nero opened. Crap. Okay, I'm up $429 now. I didn't know Nero had open. Anyway, on Lex, I did not mean to sell that. I should have took this out of here and put stop in here. All right, anyway, small scalp region. I missed this one. I missed my entry, so I messed up the plan there. I'm okay. Lost, I shouldn't have lost on that 7 cents selling on that limit order. It's all good. Semi is up 112. Nero did open up over 20. I did not realize it opened up, but that's great. So I'm up $8.62 on those 50 shares. Lex, man, I meant to hold that one for the move up here, but messed up my plan. Looks like it's facing some shorting pressure anyway. But that's a nice little cushion on the day, 429 bucks. But man, I did not mean to. I should have looked at the order type before I entered that stop order. Looks like it's showing some weakness now. I'll see if it can consolidate. Anyway, whoever said that the ask was at the 21, you were exactly right. I think that was Daniel B. Popped right up to the 22 up there. Anyway, if you are on YouTube, make sure you hit the like button. If you enjoy this type of content, trading very volatile stocks that can take your soul, hit the like button. You don't have to subscribe, but just hit that free thumbs up. All right. So I guess this is the first pullback of this one. To be honest, now I'm not even worried about Nero because I bought at the 13s. So it is literally so far away from me. I'm not even in danger. Right. So we got 10:35. What time is Nero supposed to be opening up? What did this halt do? This halt 9:57:43. So it should be opening up at the 10:01, 10 or no 10:02:34, 10:02:43. Looks like it popped on the daily chart all the way up here to the 25s for a second, 24s. We'll see about that. Boy, my original entry is looking a long way away at that $12. $13. Okay, so Lex did end up going down. Finally did his first pullback. Could have took a little bit of a scalp off of that one, but oh well. Meds trying to consolidate as well. I guess any losses that I take today in other tickers will be made up by by Nero going to the moon. Meds getting a little kicker. Pre-market highs is up here at the 835. There it is, just opened up. Let's see if it can go higher. Nice. Balance is looking like 447 or $77.44 or no, 619. My bad, it just updated. $619.45. So up $12 on this position. Anyway, did anybody get in on that halt? That halt resumption? So I said I needed another 60 bucks, but it blessed me with a lot more than 60 bucks on this trade. Put my prayer hands together. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for allowing me to press the buy button and not be so anxious to press the sell button. Thank you so much. All right, mids. Moving a little slow. Wow. CEMI. Another pop up there through the pre-market highs. Right up there. Needs to do a little bit of a pullback, a little reprieve. Lex is still piling down, not too interesting. And meds is also piling up, but it's a long way away from its pre-market high. It may actually have a trend here that we can put in. Right there. Lex piling down. Who are you talking about, Daniel B? Daniel B. All right, let's see when this thing halted. Halted at the 10:03. Should be opening up at the 10:08:06. 10:08:06. Am I high or what? Was that to who was that to? Lex is trash right now. Semi still pushing up, has not given a nice pullback yet. Don't know where the new bottom is. I think this is 100% return on my investment. I entered with about like whatever this is, 50 times that price. 50 times 13.42. I put in $671 on this position, and my return is about getting up there. I mean, it's not there yet, but it's getting up there. Almost 100% return on this investment. Or rather, this position, not an investment. All right. What is it supposed to be? The 0806 should be coming up here shortly. Let's see what it can bless us with. 0806. Are we going higher? Okay. Again, don't know. Did I calculate that right? Was this supposed to be the 08? Neuro. Yeah, 0806. All right, another 10-minute halt, I guess. Maybe it'll gap up even higher, open up at the 27, 28 level. I see on the ask over here, I'm seeing the 27.47. So we'll see. We will see here. CEMI has not done any kind of pullbacks. Meds continuing that same trend. Lex also struggling. All right, this one's supposed to be opening up. If this is a 10-minute halt, the 1306 should be the open for Nero. Should be. About 3 minutes left on that one. Semi. Semi continue to push up. Gave a double top right there. Lex getting a little bit of a push back up there. Not really trusting it. Meds did hit that trend line and looking like it wants to go on down. So we do have 3 top movers. CEMI just did a double top. May need to do a little bit of pulling back. Nero still going to the moon. And then Lex. All right, so 1306 is what we're looking for. We got about a minute left. $13.06. All right, here we go. Hey, there it goes. Up to the $30, huh? Can it break the 30s? Up $15 on this position. Balance is $752 right now. Nice. Up to the 30.42. Let's let it update. I don't know if this is the final. It takes a couple of seconds to update here. $847 in pocket, or not really in pocket, in the position. Cool. All right, anyway, up $16.99 on those shares. Let's see. What do we have here? Lex still in this little mode here. CEMI, it will probably break down this 461. That's crazy, man. I expected to grow this account 1% per day. I'm up 18% on this one day, which is beautiful. And this is what I've been trying to do is keep my losses small because I know big days can happen out of nowhere. Lex getting on up here. Looking like it wants to go. Are we getting a trend line here as well? Let's see if it can pull back. Getting on up there. $130. This one double topped. Okay, yeah, I don't like that positioning right there. $10.50. See if it breaks down this 10.20 level. Will it get punched here? We have a little bit of a trend line. Not really. Not really, but a little bit. See if it breaks the 50 down, 47s, 46s. Oh boy. It's looking a little strong right there. I don't know what it wants to do. Let's see if it'll show us red again. Bottom of this, yeah. Showing us red, so that is a legitimate trend. We'll see. CEMI is flying up. Wow. Yeah, CEMI is going crazy up here. Guess everybody else is mad they're not in Neuro. They're blasting CEMI. I need to see what time Neuro is going to be opening up. 13:46. It should have opened up already. Oh, it already did open up. Never mind. Am I tripping? Wait, it was right here, right? 25.84. Now it's up to the 30s. Am I tripping? Did my account go up some? No. Maybe it just hasn't updated. I don't know. Was this here last time? 30.42? I don't remember this being here. Maybe this it did open up very quickly, but it didn't change on my percentage. So I don't know. My price didn't change at all. Didn't even get a time to calculate. Anyway, let's go. Let's keep going. Lex kind of paddling out here. MEDS. That was a nice little move from the 485 up to the fives. It's like a 20-cent move. Oh, it's open. Nero is open, up 31. 34. Back into a halt. up $20 per share on this one. Balance is looking like $1,031.95. Nice, nice, nice. Back into a halt. Almost a $6,000 in the account. We'll see if it wants to continue to space out. But the halts seem like they're coming a little bit more naturally now, not 10-minute halts. So definitely got to be prepared. Prepared. Yeah, well, you know, listening to my good friend Daniel B and One Life, they talked me into holding positions a little bit longer because I have pretty good positioning, but sometimes, man, I snatch the cord so quick, and I'm like, no, because really, when I entered down here, I had planned to take everything right before the open. If I would have did that, I would have been filling up buckets of tears right now. Lex, Lex is halted. We will definitely be watching that one. Meds going on down. CEMI, what did it do? Oh yeah, dinero, mucho dinero. All right, so let's see how this one opens out of this halt. Let me see what time Nero is supposed to be coming out. Nero halted at 10:19. Bro. If Ben sold his shares, I'm gonna rub it in so bad today. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna rub it in. But I doubt he sold. I haven't been over to his stream, but I'll see after this where he ended up landing. But this is my biggest day live streaming. Um, it just took a while just waiting, but I kept on having green days, green days, green days, but no real big news like this. Or either there was big news and I took profit early. But it's looking nice. Trying to catch my account up to Daniel B's, trying to get to that 100K club. Nero is opening up at 1908 plus 5, 2408 should be opening. Lex is opening at the 2025, 2525. So Nero will pop open first and then Lex. CEMI, I thought it was over with, but looks like everything wants to push today. Nah, man, I'm not trying to have no leverage. I'm trading my own cash. This is a cash account. I ain't trading nobody else's money. I'm trying to reach the 100K club in a cash account. Ain't no leverage around here. All right, the bids look to be tightening up a little bit. There he goes. Can we get a little blast up to the 37s? Can we get those 38s? Can we go back into another halt? Into the 40s? Can we touch those 40s here? Back into another halt. $25 per share here. $1,200 in pocket, or about to be $6,000 in the whatchamacallit. You can do whatever you want to up here, bro. I ain't even scared. I ain't even scared. Not with that news. So oh, boy, I tell you what, these things are coming out. All right. We'll see what that $40 level is looking like up there. I may take a little bit off at the 40 because it's getting a little volatile. It's getting a little volatile. Nice little topping tail. 2208 is the point to stay above. Meds working its way back through there. Lex still doing his thing. Semi still doing his thing. Another double top here. I don't know how many double tops it can actually break, but I'm not trusting it. Bro, y'all might be right. With that $50 call out, it may be going to 50. I don't know what it wants to go to. All I know is I'm stupid green. Meds coming up and testing that trend line again, kind of holding above it. It's just so much to look at today. Like all of these stocks halting and going up and blah 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 blah. I think I'm just gonna focus on Nero. I'm gonna stop looking at these other ones since Nero is the main thing. I'm gonna just look at Nero. Tired of flipping through those. 1024 should be opening up at the 1029.53 in 2 minutes. So I guess as long as it holds the 20, I'm pretty good, man. As long as it holds the 20. $29.53. Cause it's about to be a about to be a large cap stock messing around. Got right up to that $40 level. So that's our new resistance level, and we'll see where it kind of where it goes from here. Have a bottom down here of the 16. Here's my entry right here on the daily chart, which is amazing because this thing basically has to defeat this whole bar to get back to me. 1576 is where I'll leave my stop, and this time I'll have a stop. 15 76, just in case it wants to go up higher. $15.75s. So either way it goes, this is a green trade. I really don't want to give that much profit back though, because back to the 15s would be only a like a $50 trade or something like that. 29, 29.53 coming up here. See where it opens. Well, I tell you what, this thing in these halts. Okay, we'll just wait it out. That one did quite a bit of a pullback. That one has not done a pullback. Nothing else look. Wow. CEMI, man, that thing's just going. I don't even know if the news was worth it on it. COVID-19 Delta variant weighs on the sentiment. Okay, they got a 28.3 million order for the antigen test kits for Brazil. Okay, it's pretty nice. That was a 485 up to the, so almost a dollar move there. Just waiting. This one looks to be another 10-minute halt. Should be opening up at the 34.53. Nothing else is really interesting me right now. CEMI going to the moon. So I guess these will be the ones that I'm watching. CEMI and Nero. Just had a parabolic week this week, man. $10.32. All right, so we're looking for the 34.53. Another minute, we'll see. Wow, this one's still fighting to stay up. 50 seconds left. Let's see where you want to open up, big boy. Can you get bought back up? I'd like to see it get back to some normal trading at these prices instead of halting. Should have opened up there. Huh. Hey, it just opened up. Open up a little bit lower. As long as it holds the 20s, I'm feeling okay. Let's see, 19s. As long as it holds those 20s. Another halt going down. Quick. Back to the 6. But I'm still very, very interested. Even though it opened up right here, still very interested in it. Because I know people are gonna buy off this dip. As long as it stays around 30, I'm okay. 15, so stay above the 15s is where I needed to stay. Not getting spooked out of this one. CEMI coming on down. Meds did pop through that trend line, held right there. Gave a nice run up from the 50s to the 90s, 40-cent move. Wissa. Wissa popping up there. Doing this little thing. Boy, I tell you what, these stocks are moving today, man. They are moving. Looking like I'm gonna be holding on to Nero for a while. Nero is supposed to be opening back up at the 1040.11 or 1041.11. Mm, 41.11 should be open now. Let's look at Nero. Nope, still halted. Crazy thing is, most of this movement that's happened is retail, but after 10:30, boy, the the industry comes to play. Lex building back up here. Don't like those wicks. Okay. So it's back under the 11s, kind of struggling. Will it go red? Red is at the 1089s. Yep. Got pushed red a little bit. Can they keep it red? Getting pushed down right there. Whistle pushing up. Neuro 46.11. Maybe it'll open. CEMI. Getting a little bounce point here. Looks okay. See if it wants to hold up that 45. Will it get push red? Yeah, getting a little push red. See if it'll hold up that 525, 522 area. The bottom of this candle is the 28. Have a little bit of support there at the 28. Okay, starting to like it. Go ahead and take there for a move up, 50 shares. See if it can get back up to this level here of the 557s. We'll see. If it doesn't want to, oh well. Nero is open as well. Be going over there checking that one out in a minute. Want to see it get up here and cross this level here of the 45. Can we get back to the 40s? Nice. Okay, Nero is back going up. I'm gonna go over there and look at that one in a minute. Once I scalp this real quick. Let's see, we got a profit target right there. Let's see, 57. Trying to hold up here. Can we hold those 45s? There we go. Nice. Let's get going. Can we get the 50s up there? 48s. Hit that 50. 50s. Can we knock through that? Nice. Can we hold over that? Looking like we can't. 51. Nice. 55. 17 cents here. Can we get a little bit more to the 55s? Nice. Taking some profit off. Taking profit. 40 shares left. Can we get those 65s up there into the 70s? 65s. Can we see it? Okay, getting pushed down there a little bit. It's all good. I'll hold, I'll hold 30 shares here. If it can get to the 65, I'll sell one more and then hold the rest. And there it is, getting up there. Can we see those 65s hold? Nope. Back under the 55, I'll take off some. And I'll take the rest at break even. Taking off some there. Needs to hold up. Not seeing it hold yet. Not liking that movement right there. Shows me red. I'll go ahead and take on this one. Take out if it can't go here. I'll take on the push through as well. 56 is taking a little bit there. 20 shares left. Taking on that weakness. 15 shares left. Can we get those 58s, 59, 60s? There we go. Let's get those 65s up there like I asked for before. There we go, 70s. Can we get the 75s? 73s, 76s, taking a little bit there. 40s, 50s, taking a little bit up here. There's a little pullback, and I'll go ahead and get out of that so we can go and look at Nero. All right, Nero, what you got going? Going up, down, what we doing? And where am I sitting right now? Around 600 bucks. Looking for it to get back up, and I'm really okay with the way it's moving now up here. As long as it's trading, kind of getting back to a normal trading pattern around the 25s, up above the 20s, I'm okay. Does it want to get over this 2750, 2758? It's like the spot for it. All right, let's go, and while that's playing around, I'm going to look at other things. Let's see if it'll go green. Nope, going red. Stay above that 20 level. Hold 850 at least. All right, let's go look back at what we can take out on here. See, Lex was the one I just traded. Back down. Or was it Lex that I traded? I don't even know. I think it might have been CEMI. That's what it was. Holy Jesus. I mean, I wanted to go and look at Nero, so I took off of those trades that I was in. Okay, Nero's coming down a little bit too much. Nero, what are you doing, brother? I am going to go ahead and maybe take my profit. I mean, I've already reached my goal of 5,000 in the account. I'm okay. Looking around, meds. Yeah, I didn't want to spend too much eye time over here on CEMI, but man, that thing took off from my entry. Wow. Nothing I can do now. I think I just scalped a couple of cents off of it. I took one losing trade on Lex CEMI. Let's see, the top one was 52 cents in CEMI on that little scalp that I did. Wow. Could have had a lot more, but it's okay. Hindsight trading. Never got anybody anywhere. Lex is looking hungry here. Looks like it's forming a pennant. See if it can hold up this. May scalp a little bit here. If it can show me green above the 11. Struggling around the 11 mark. Needs to stay above, let's see, the 1087. I like it. Gonna scalp here a little bit. 25 shares in. Looking for a little bit of a move up. I'll be out at VWAP. VWAP is at the 1056 right now. For 25 shares. Thought he can go ahead and break out of there. What's not actually, what is this? 1020 level. Be out. 1019. It's looking for it to break up here. I don't know if we'll be able to see that though. Gonna a little heavy here. Needs to get going back over the 11s. Getting up there to the 11s. Can we see the 1101? Nope. All right, 1057, 1060, 1055. I'll go ahead and jump out. Put my stop order right there. If it doesn't want to go, oh well. I'll be looking at CEMI, pulling back. Nope. All right. What do we want to do here? Do we want to go and touch something, touch the moon? All right, so we're getting up. A little bit of a failure there. Bottom of this candle is the low of the 1081, which will be my exit, 1080. Because this should be an igniting candle, but if it's not, I'm okay with that. 1081 if it wants to fail. All right, pushing on up here. What was the high of this one? The high was a 1140s. Let's see, can it get through the 40s? What is my break even? Break even is at the 1112, so 1111s. Can we push into those 40s? If not, I'll be out at break even. Be out at break even if it wants to come back down. Not gonna let it run against me like that. 1140 and yep, got me out right there, break even. I'm okay with that. Just looking for a little bit of a burp. A little bit more of a burp than that. Heading on down. Neuro, we're waiting. CEMI pulling back here. Has a little bit of a support right here at the 603. Support. Can it hold up that $6 level? We don't know yet. Okay, I like it. Will it give us red here? A little bit of a dip. Can it hold above this level of the 589? Support. Hold above that level, please. Looking like it's already ready to go again. Let's see though. See what kind of pullback it gives us. Holding up there quite nicely. Looks good. Looks real good. Let's see, can it hold up that 15? What's the low of this? Can it hold up the 11s? Looks like it can. Yep, I'm gonna enter there for a little short scalp here over the top. Got in 25 shares. Okay, can we break that high? The bottom here low is a 605, so that'll be my exit. 605s. Okay, there's the high break, 34 cents. We're gonna let this play. Low of the 605 will be the out. 605s. Okay, just letting that play out. Did Nero ever open up? No, it did not. Up 40 cents on this position. Nice. Okay. 50 cents on this position. We'll let it just play out. Last time I got out a little bit early. Needs to stay above the 620 level. So 620 level, not gonna play with it. Needs to get back above this level here of the 51. Can we get bought back up there? 51. Barely holding. Come on, let's get that 51 on there. 51s, need the 52s, 53s. Not seeing it. Break even. Break even is a 629. I mean 625, so I'm risking about 5 cents here. Looking for it to continue. 46s, 49s. Struggling at that 50 level. $51, $52 right there. Nero is still not open yet. Getting shorted. Looks like some short action right there. Shorts getting blown out if it can hold the 50s. Can we see those 55s here? There it is, 60s. Nice, nice. Can we hold those 60s in there? 60s. 70s, nice. 73s. All right, so break even would be the 625. I'll go ahead and collect. As long as it stays over the 630s, I'm okay with it. But it'll be a green trade either way. If it continues coming down, let's go ahead and take. It's looking real weak here. Back under the 50s. We'll explode under the 50s. We'll be able to hold up, taking some profit. Get back over the 50s. Ugh. Looking questionable. Okay. Sold a little bit there. 15 shares left. Shows me red. I'm going to be looking to exit. There we go. 10 shares left. Got to get over that 60, 61. Can we push? Taking. Holy Jesus. Hold up. What is Nero doing? So Nero just piling down. I mean, the numbers just going down like I don't know what. I'm still okay. See, 1546. 1546 is my out. Letting those everybody, the profit takers, get on out of there. 1575. 1575. 50 shares. And make sure that's on a stop. Don't want to accidentally sell out. All right, so I got my stop in there, so I'm not too worried now. Green trade no matter what. Looking for more trades out here. Legs. I was looking at this one. All right, so CEMI is still making moves up. I don't have any entries here that I can take. Yeah, it's kind of shaky in CEMI, but it is going up. It's meds crashing. Okay, Lex, what do you want to do? I see you continuing to come down here. Can you get over the 1109s and start to hold? 1109s for a hold. Not seeing it. All right, back up to CEMI. Nero is looking like it's rebounding a little bit, which I kind of figured it was going to do because it's got a long, it's defeated a lot of this candle, but I have a great feeling that it's going to be able to rebound off of this above the 20s. That's why I'm not selling. NSPR, meds, Lex. There we go. Holding up. That's what I want to see. All right, let's go ahead and look to scalp this one. 1109's holding. Yep. Yep. I'm gonna scalp this one. New bottom down here is the low of the 1070. Let's see if it can go this time. 1070 on 25 shares. Can we get sporadic? Not, oh well. Got my out ready to go. Was looking for it to get over those 25s, but we'll see. '20s popping up there quick. You're gonna break. Let's get it. Where those 20s at? About to get me out here. Yep. Looking like it wants to fail out here. If it can get bought back up, great. But if not, I'm gonna be out. I can't risk this. Can it get back over the 11s is the question. Not looking likely. Can it just throw another wick up there? Let's see the high here, 1109. It needs to get back to 1109. Gonna stop me. Getting heavy. Gonna stop me. Needs to get back to the 90s. '84s, '85s. Need to see the 90s here. 90s. Can we get the 91s? Okay. Oh, it's gonna stop me. Getting heavy, boy. Tell you what. Will it flip to green here? Will it be able to get over the 1097? Come on, man. You got the perfect pennant setup. I mean, the perfect pennant setup. Let's see. What is this down here? The 1040s. I could get out on this 9 EMA. Yeah, let's do that. 1005. 1036. Can we see the 91s pop here? 90s on the bid. Can we get the 91s for a quick scalp? Entry position was the 1122. Failing again. I'm really not liking it. I'm gonna go ahead and check out Nero in a little bit. It looks like it rebounded a little bit. Yep, got me out right there. I'm okay with that. Kept my stop tight right there just in case it didn't pop. Anyway, back up to meds or Nero. Okay, Nero popping back up there. Like I said, it looked like it can rebound. That's why I wasn't too quick to be trying to sell. I got my stop out right there, so I'm okay. We're still up $600 something on the day. 1013. This one was barely moving out. That's why I was taking profit so quickly on it. Neuro, I don't know what it wants to do, but I like the position that I'm in. So if it wants to go back to the moon, praise God. All right, so we got the 3891 as a top. And Yeah. So we will see where the buyers are feeling this thing, where they want to be getting in. $26s. Can we get back above the 30s? Easing back up there to that $700. CEMI. I just don't trust it anymore. I was scalping it, but I don't trust it anymore. It's not moving out enough now. All right, what does that thing want to do? Can it break over this 26.59? Can we get going? Can we get a exploding candle here? Okay, was that a double top? High was the 26.49. All right. I will need to shut down the stream at 10:30 because I do need to go. But I'm gonna stick in this position, and I'll just update you guys later on whenever, probably tomorrow. See how it goes. Or I might actually close. I might have to close it out today. I don't know. Looking for it to start holding that 25.75 and push into the 26s. $25.50s need to pop back up there. Can we get the 51s? Nice. 70s. Wow. 10-cent jump. Can we see those 60s back up there? $75s. Can we see the 75s, 74s? Nice. Let's get back into those 26s. Good and strong. Let's push those shorts out of there. Coming back out of the 26. Gotta hold those 26s, man. Need those 26.25s to start the hold. That'll be perfect. Hmm. I don't know what it wants to do here. Got about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna be closing this thing up. We'll do a recap, and then we'll see how this goes. I do believe it still has some upward motion that it can do. Don't know how much, but I'm interested. Looks like it's trying to consolidate here a little bit, which is good. Maybe it'll form a range where people are just buying. Maybe it won't give anybody a chance to buy. It starts to hold at 26. Come on, man. Start to push that thing up. 26 back on there. Not seeing the 26 on the bid though. Seeing it on the charts. Maybe some consolidation that's got to happen here. But I'm going to leave my stop down here at the bottom. I'm pretty sure it's not going to come and stop me out. I mean, if it gets back to the 15, I need to be out anyway. It'll be a green trade, and I'll make a little bit of money, but I'm going to let this one play. Let's go look around. I think I'm done taking trades on anything else, though. Everything else just kind of trashed out. So I'm going to let this $518 roll over into the next side and look for a little, wow, took a little jump down. But we still got a full day for people to get in on this. I need to get ready to go. I'll let this play while I'm getting ready. Um, so I'm still holding Nero. I went and got ready to go. Um, Came back and it's sitting at the 25.50. I don't think it's done with the move for today, to be honest. I don't know if this would be a good selling spot. I feel kind of dumb selling at the lows. But maybe I'm wrong. Even if I am, my stop is already out here. I'm gonna collect at least $100 from this trade, but I do think it has the potential to go higher. Right now, I'm sitting up $618. I don't think it's gonna eat up all of that. I just don't. And look at it now, getting some buying pressure around here around VWAP. We'll see if it can break over this 27s. 27's up there, but I'm not really worried. Not trying to sell out yet. So, because we got a whole day. Why sell already? We got a whole day. Let's see if it starts to hold up those 26s. That's where it's been trying to hold up forever, the 26s. Anyway, I'm going to finish my lunch and then get ready to jet. You say I'm in hope mode? Well, I mean, okay, so I've already secured profits on the day. Like it's not gonna take anything away from me. I'm just wondering where's the hope coming from when we see this consolidation right here. Look at this tight consolidation right here. Literally a break of this level of the 27.29. That's that can go. This is what resistance up here, right here. And then we have our support down here at the 21s. So we'll put our support level in there just like that. And this is the range they've been getting in at. Now look at it. If I would have sold, I would have been looking quite dumb. Because all it needs to do is break this top here, 29.30s, and I am $12 away from my entry. So I think I'm okay. It's got down to this level right here. They're just collecting precious metals. Getting bought up off that dip right there off of VWAP. I got a little bit more to eat, and then I'll be trying to close this thing down. Right. Where are we trying to? We're trying to hold up the 40s. Can we get over the 40s? Daniel B, I don't think you understand. This the catalyst is on this is what I'm banking on. I'm not banking on, oh, I was at the high. It's not like it had no catalyst. It literally has room back up. Now I just hope this thing doesn't go to 50, because then Daniel B will definitely be like, oh no. Can we start to hold those 50s? 50. Can we see the 51s real quick? I keep forgetting I actually need to leave. I'm probably gonna shut down the stream and just oh yeah, I'll just shut down the stream. We can do the recap real quick, but I'm definitely not selling. All right, so realized gains and losses. Traded CEM a couple of times. Have not taken profit on that this Nero play yet. LEX X is looking like another fail. I took a couple of losing trades there, but Nero, I'm gonna go ahead and hold that into the afternoon to see what the buyers want to do here. It's got some great consolidation right here in this range, so I'm okay with that. The bottom of this is the 2142, so I'm okay with anything it wants to do within this range. Had a top side up here of the $19. Yeah, that thing it can definitely travel back up. All right. 25's getting hit there. I gotta go, man. Let's see, 11 o'clock. See if we can hold up that 24, was that 2470s? 2475. All right. 2475s. It is holding within this range that I've specified here. See, from the 27 to the 21, this little building range right here. We will see what it can do. Can it start to get back over? What's the high of this? The 20 back into the 26s is where we really want to see it. And like you said, this is a micro cap, so it can get very volatile. It can move those dollars very quickly, which is why I didn't want to rush this trade. Look at this. If I would have sold what? Come on now. Even if it gap fills, if it comes up here to the $30, I'm okay. So we're right back. Let's see where we at now. Moving our way back up. And remember what my goal was for the day was to get 5,000 in the account. I accomplished my goals. I got $300 more than my goal. So I just don't see what the downside risk of this is. Especially if it starts holding those 26s. Top of this is the 2613. Let's see if it can go ahead and get through all of that. Oh, looks like it's looking like it's getting a little power up. Can it get through those 60s? '70s. Very quickly. Is that a double top? High 74, high 75. There we go. Back up to the 28s. Can we get some more buying in here? See what we got. Back up to $700. Bro, I'm gonna be so late today. Let me just check my chat, my other chat. Okay, they are not calling. Nope. Nothing right now. All right. 28's there. Can we start to get up to that 30? Because it's only $8 away from the top. So with this being a micro cap, it's definitely got a lot of potential to go. Now I'll go ahead and move it up. Let's say the $20. How much is it at the $20 if I were to put my stop there? $20. 20 bucks. Pretty good amount. Wonder can it break over this 29? Can we get those 28.50 to start holding? Back up $15. Nice. Can it break over this high of the 28 back into the 29s? Not looking like it. Needs to get that 28.50 on there. $21.55s. Can we see the 75 start to hold here? '69s, '70s, '63s. Working its way on down. '60s back up there. '75s. Can we see the '75s hold? '80s. Not seeing the '75s up there yet. We will see. I have got to take off today. Of course, I'm going to take my computer with me. This is my laptop. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to end the stream. We can look at what I did do today. Took a couple of trades on CEMI. The only losing trades were on LEXX for a small share size. But I still like Neuro, so I'm going to continue to kind of manage it throughout the day, but I just cannot sit here and do it. All right, so that is it for this stream. Hopefully it'll consolidate. I like the setup here, so hopefully we'll see it continue higher. Let me go ahead and get ready to close this thing down for good. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, here I am. So guys, I'm going to hold that throughout the day and I'll check in on it sometime later, but I got to go and do some work. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button. And as always, Neuro taking us to the moon, but I'm definitely looking to take profits later on today if it does show weakness. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.